So I diagnosed this vehicle the other day, Toyota Corolla. Customer states that the vehicle had a shutter upon acceleration, wouldn't go anywhere. The diagnostic had a P0303 code, which is number 3 Misfire. Multiple ways of diagnosing this, but I'm going to show you a screenshot of, I'll figure out how to put it in the video, but I'll show you a screenshot of the Misfire monitor. It's basically a monitor on higher end scanners that are able to detect misfires. It basically just watches them count. The computer can detect and count things a lot more efficiently than we can feel it. But there are new coils, Denso coils, OEM coils. So